Hello everyone! So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this cute ribbon hair bow. At bago ako mag-umpisa, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga kailangang gamitin. You need some hairpins para makagawa ng ribbon. At para masecure din na hindi matatanggal. Hair comb o suklay. At syempre panali ng buhok. So first, tie your hair up in a higher position. Depende sa taas na gusto mo. Then wrap the ponytails around. At gumawa ka ng loop or make a loop. And place the rest of your hair sa harap. And then hatiin mo sa gitna yung nagawa mong loop. At ipatong mo sa gitna yung itinira mong buhok para makagawa ka ng ribbon. At lagyan ng hairpin sa likod. Next is lagyan mo ng hairpin both side para hindi siya mag-loose o matanggal. So that's it for today's video guys, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye!